is how practical the conversations are. At a lot of these events, people spend time talking about what a system could do in theory. At DSET, the focus is much more on what actually works in practice and whether the outputs are reliable enough to act on. The audience here also gets that wargaming and the elements of wargaming need to be accountable. They need to be compliant. They need to be challenged. And having mod industry and academia all in the same space allows us to have honest conversations about integration rather than, just having silo conversations with different elements. That's a rare thing, and it's why DSET stands out. To some real proactive conversations at DSET this year. One of the big ones is how strategic gaming and wargaming more broadly can move beyond just recording what happened and start explaining why it happened and what that means for the next decision. We'll be talking about how you can build operational analysis directly into game design and adjudication. So the assumptions are visible, logical, and traceable, and the outputs don't rely on because an expert said to the side. It's about making those games transparent and more defensible. We're also excited to share some of the practical work happening behind the scenes, including an app we're developing with some partners at the moment. It's not the finished product yet, but it's a really good starting position, sparking really valuable discussions about trust and transparency in the gaming outputs. And honestly, we're looking forward to speaking with teams who are dealing with real difficult problems, capability choices, investment decisions, training designs, DSAT compliance. Essentially, if you have a problem, no matter how big or small, and you're struggling to figure it out, then let us work with you and find that answer.